Ever dreamed of starting your own business but your bank account currently says zero? Today, that changes forever. We are breaking down the exact step-by-step guide to launching an AI side hustle with absolutely no upfront investment. Most people stay stuck because they think they need fancy software or a huge budget. But that is just a myth. Overthinking is the biggest dream killer. You see complex diagrams and think it's impossible. It's not. Step 1. Choose just one service. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus is your greatest superpower here. Whether it's writing blogs or generating high-end AI art, pick the niche that excites you the most and stick to it. Step 2. Use free AI tools. You don't need paid subscriptions to start delivering world-class value to clients. Platforms like ChatGPT and various open-source image generators are your free employees. Learn to master the prompts. Step 3. Create a simple, professional offer. Tell the world exactly what problem you solve and how you do it. Be clear, be concise, and show your value. This is where you turn a hobby into a real professional service. Step 4. Find your clients. They are waiting for you on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even social media. Outreach is key. Send those messages, show your portfolio, and land that crucial first client that changes everything. Step 5. Deliver and improve. Once you get that first yes, over-deliver on quality and learn from the feedback. Growth is a process. Every project you complete makes you better, faster, and more valuable to the next client. Let's be real, you will face hurdles. There will be rejected proposals and moments of doubt. That is part of the game. But persistence is what separates the winners from the dreamers. Keep pushing, keep refining, and don't look back. Here is a bonus tip: focus on that first $10. That small win proves the concept and fuels your motivation. The psychological shift of earning your first dollar online is massive. Take action today and start your journey. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI wealth building. I'll see you in the next video where we scale this to the moon.